we want so many things the way we expect it to be, but yes, we would take it any day. I mean, we'd really come out positive tomorrow. We've got some solid batsmen in the dressing room, and yeah, it's exciting in every way. You know, winning a test in Lords is going to be amazing. So I think we're sitting pretty.
Washi, congratulations. Best day for you as a bowler, especially overseas, in overseas performance. If you consider overseas performance, is this the best day for you as a bowler? And can you talk us through that? What specific things you are doing there? Because those were some really good wickets.
I mean, definitely one of the best days with the ball for me, especially outside of India. But yes, definitely had some solid plans coming into this test match and really wanted to execute them, both in first and second innings. Honestly, wanted to contribute to the team quite differently in different passages of play. But yes, the way it turned out to be for me as well as the team the whole day today is really good and very heartening for me.
Washi, the team, when they got you into the 11, they said they wanted runs from you at 8 and then play a restrictive role with the ball as a spinner. So, but as an individual who must have aspirations to do better things. So, how do you go about it when today when do you think that you have to move to an attacking line as a bowler, or maybe take the attack with the bat also?
I mean, this is a team game, and we got to do, as players, we got to do everything the team needs. And end of the day, as long as the team wins, that's all it takes, and that's all it matters as well. And yes, there are different rules thrown at me in different passages of play. I would say that's where Test cricket gets a lot more exciting, because you've got to be a slightly different cricketer, at least with your mindset on day 5 compared to on day 1. So I think it's been going pretty well for me.
Washi, coming here, what did you expect from just from a bowling point of view for an off spinner? Did you expect any help? Are you surprised at how things have panned out in the 2 games that you played? Just from a bowling perspective.
In Lords?
Last game and here.
I mean, I would say both games are quite different. I mean, the venues were quite different. In Lords, I was thinking there wouldn't be a lot of bounce, especially looking at the game that happened a couple of weeks ago, the World Test Championship Finals. So the probability of ball hitting the stumps, especially of good lengths, is a lot more compared to the last 2 venues that we played. So according to that, there were some plans, and yes, I think all of us bowled really well, especially the fast bowlers. They bowled their heart out on day 4. After having bowled a lot of overs in the first innings, they still came out with their heart and bowled really well consistently.
Washi, whatever the 130 odd runs that is still needed, what according to you will be the best approach to for that to go for it? Given the conditions, the way pitch behaved, it's just in the last half an hour, it's suddenly waked up. So tomorrow morning, maybe you guys will definitely take roller. So what will be the best way to approach this?
I mean, Test cricket, there's nothing called the best approach, because you got to be slightly different when it's required of you. And we'll just assess however it is tomorrow in the morning, and just play to the situation and play to the merit. And we know it's all going to go really well for us.
Washington, the wicket of Jamie Smith, it was your skill is very subtle changes in flight and turn and all. If you can just explain that, how was it possible to get him clean bowled?
I mean, God was very kind, definitely need to say that. But yeah, I mean, he was a very important wicket for us, considering the amount of runs he's already scored in this series. But yes, I mean, ball did come out really well off my hand, especially that ball. So I think it was important for me to hit the right areas consistently, and I think I was able to do that today.
Washi, we all kind of look forward to what is tomorrow, visualize what tomorrow will be. Are you looking forward to being in the middle and scoring the runs and being in the spotlight, or are you hoping that your feet up and you win by 6 wickets or something?
I mean, I'd say as long as we win the game, I think nothing else would matter. I mean, a win as a team in Lords would be very, very special for us, and I'm sure for you guys as well. India winning the Lords Test would be amazing. So.
Personally, are you looking forward to spinning, winning
looking forward to the day tomorrow in every way. Yeah.
Washi, you just spoke about your bowling here at Lord's. How much did the slope come handy for you from the end you were bowling at?
I mean, honestly, obviously this is my first game in Lord's, and I didn't really think too much about it, and I was thinking it wouldn't really do much for spinners. But yes, I mean, my plans weren't really based on the slope, so I wasn't honestly thinking about it, but the way it turned out for me, and I mean, Lord's definitely is very kind to me so far in the test match.
Washi, the late call-up during the home season last year into the test squad, then doing what you did when other senior spinners were already there in the squad, and now the kind of support you have had from the coach, it's not a secret anymore. So how does that help you that, you are considered as an insurance with the bat and ball, and you continue to make those contributions? So as a player, how much does that backing help, and what are the kind of conversations you have with the coach in the back room?
I mean, it definitely helps, and also the fact that the things that come to me, the information that's passed on to me in various situations of the game, and even in different venues, important. I mean, do mean a lot important as well, because obviously some of the venues require you to be a little different, and when the information is passed on to me, it generally means a lot, because obviously Gautam Bhai has played a lot of Test cricket and has got so much experience. And even seniors like KL Rahul, Bumrah, they keep talking to all of us, and they make sure we are aware as to what exactly needs to be done in different scenarios in the game. So that way, it definitely means a lot. And yes, as I said, as long as the team is doing well and I'm contributing to the team's success, it's amazing.
Washi, a few years ago in Gabba, you played a critical role. Obviously, there is less number of runs tomorrow, but how much would you look on that experience, and do you think that experience will have a role tomorrow?
Definitely, every experience would help for me to be out there and bring out my best version of myself tomorrow. But yes, I mean, we're all looking forward, and it's going to be great.
Washi, can you just tell us how fired up you guys were this morning, and do you expect England to bring a similar kind of energy tomorrow?
Definitely. I mean, Test cricket, no matter the situation, I mean, we're all expected to put in 100% every single day, no matter what the results look like or even the scoreboard looks like. So, yes, it's going to be exciting tomorrow. I mean, especially the last 15-20 minutes was quite interesting today. So, yeah.
Washington, yeah. Now, as a spinning batting all-rounder, when such performance with the ball come in, like such brilliant performance come in, how much confidence does it give to you?
It definitely raises my confidence levels, and especially to perform in England, it means a lot, and it genuinely makes me believe how much of an asset and how much I could actually perform for the team in these conditions as well. So it definitely means a lot.
Hi. The last 5 minutes or so yesterday seemed to change the energy of the game in a way, bring some aggression into it in a good way. How much did that change the atmosphere in your dressing room and the motivation of your team?
I mean, I would say the aggression is always inside of us in both dressing rooms, I would say, where it's just that there was an incident that happened and it sort of came out as well last evening, and it did come out quite a bit today as well. So, yeah, I mean, it's all the more interesting for all of us to look forward to tomorrow.
And do you think having that energy in you improves your performances at all?
It definitely does. I mean, it's a sport, and everyone is quite aggressive and quite intense in their own ways. And I mean, no matter the sport, if you're an athlete, it's a common fact, I'd say. So it's always inside of an individual.
Yes, that's a shot. क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर, lovely shot, हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर।